Hello, welcome or welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making liver soya or liver kebab in the air fryer. Come with me and let's make this delicious kebab. But if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. Come with me and let's make this delicious sensational kebab together. Come. So for ingredients, we'll be needing our ginger powder, garlic powder, all-purpose seasoning, onion powder, our soya powder, cayenne pepper, salt to taste, black pepper, some oil, spraying oil, and our liver, guys. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our cooking. We'll go ahead and start with the preparation of our liver, guys, and I'm going to prepare this in the air fryer. So this is our super delicious grilled soya liver in the air fryer, guys. Guys, as we all know, liver has its own flavor, so salt, just a pinch of salt on this liver will be enough. And I'll go ahead and add my all-purpose seasoning. Not too much, this amount is okay. And the garlic powder. Ginger powder, onion powder, guys, and then you go ahead and marinate it. It's very important. Go ahead and make sure that every part of the gizzard the liver is covered with these delicious spices. You can see it looks so delicious. So I will go ahead and then cover it up and leave it for 1 hour, 2 hours, it depends, in your fridge. And then afterwards we put it in our air fryer. So is ready, our liver is ready, and we are going to put it in the fridge for 1 or 2 hours for it to be more tasty. Or let's just say look at this. After 2 hours in the fridge, this is how our liver looks like. So we'll go ahead and arrange it perfectly in our air fryer for it to grill. It's very easy to eat. Just say soya pa. Arrange everything perfectly on air fryer. Our liver is ready and is going to go into the oven. I'll go ahead and sprinkle it with this oil, guys. You can use any oil of your choice. So just go ahead and sprinkle some oil on it. It's very important, guys. Guys, look at how delicious it looks. So go ahead and garnish it with some onions. More soya powder, guys. More soya powder. And some pepper too. Oh, more soya powder and some powdered pepper. Look at this. It looks so delicious and yummy. In your air fryer, just air fryer more. Then you just have this delicious grilled liver, soya liver. Guys, thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious grilled soya in the air fryer. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye. Do adios. Kiss.